Do you have a hobby? What is your hobby? What do you do in your free time? What do you like to do? So now we are going to talk about our hobbies. There are different kinds of hobbies. For example, your hobby can be playing cards, or playing basketball, playing football, playing golf. You can also play different musical instruments. Your hobby can be playing the guitar, or playing the piano, or playing the accordion. Then our hobby can be singing, dancing, collecting stamps, or collecting coins, or stamp collecting, coin collecting. Our hobby can also be reading, watching television, playing video games, gardening, photography, etc., etc. Now, what is your hobby? You certainly have a hobby, but when we speak about hobbies in English, it is important to point out how we use these words within a sentence. So let's take, for example, that my hobby is gardening. I can say, my hobby is gardening. My hobby is gardening. I like gardening. I like gardening. Or, I'm interested in gardening. I'm interested in gardening. Or, I like gardening. I like working in my garden. So, in all these examples, we used gardening, gardening, gardening. Remember this form, we used it when we talked about present continuous. I'm standing, you are sitting, we are singing, we are dancing, etc., etc. In present continuous tense, this is called present participle. This is the main verb. The main verb means infinitive plus ing, but it goes with to be. I am playing, you are playing, he is playing, etc., etc. Here, there is no verb to be. We just use infinitive plus ing, and this is called a gerund. My hobby is gardening. I'm interested in gardening. I like gardening. And we also have to keep in mind that there are two similar verbs, two similar expressions. I like, I would like. Remember when we mentioned would like, I would like the steak, please. So after would like, we can use a noun, or if we want to use a verb, we have to use the full infinitive. Let's see our examples. I like gardening, gardening gerund, but I would like to sing. I would like to dance. I would like to watch television. I would like to play football. So we use like when we talk generally about something, and then we use the gerund, infinitive plus ing. This is a kind of a noun. I like playing football. I like playing the guitar. I like collecting coins, but I would like to play the guitar. I would like to collect coins. There are also a couple of words, a couple of verbs in English similar to like. You can say like, you can say love, you can say dislike, or you can say hate. So love, as in I love you, it has the strongest meaning. I love gardening. I love it very much. I love gardening. Then, I like gardening. I dislike gardening. I don't like it very much. I dislike gardening. And I hate gardening. Hate. I don't like it at all. But remember, after all these verbs, we have to use the ing forms. After would like, we use to, then comes infinitive. This is called the full infinitive. I would like to visit America. I would like to play cricket. I would like to play the accordion.